Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillah nahmaduhu wa nasta'inu wa nastaghfiruh wa na'udzu billahi min syururi anfusina wa min sayyiati a'malina may yahdihillahu fala mudhillalah wa man yudhlilhu fala hadiyalah. Okay, I'm standing here. I want to explain or I want to presentation about my portfolio. Okay, I'm before I start, I want to introduce myself first. My name is Muhammad Ryan Firmansyah. You can call me Rehan. So, I'm is a student of vocational high school in IDN boarding school, and I'm 11 TKJ student. Here I'm a passionate networking student with strong interest in computer, network, and cybersecurity. And I have hands-on experience in routing, switching, SPI, and the other. So I hold professional certification including MTCNA, MikroTik Certified Network Associate, and then MTCRE or MikroTik Certified Routing Engineer, and the last is CCNA, is Cisco Certified Network Associate, which strengthens my foundation in networking fundamentals. So I have experience in configuring the network service such as NAT, HSRV, IPv4, and IPv6, GRA tunnel, and dynamic routing protocol like IGRV, OSPF, and RIV version second version. Okay, and here I learned in IDN boarding school, and I'm learned about MTCNA. I'm learned about network fundamental, and in the last semester I take the certification because the certification is SKL here. So certification focused on MikroTik router IOS configuration, covers IP addressing, routing, bridging, firewall, NAT, wireless, and basic troubleshooting. And QU also demonstrate a strong understanding of network. And the next is I'm learn about MTCRA, MikroTik Certified Routing Engineer, advanced routing certification, specializing in static routing, OSPF, IGRV, tunneling, VPN, and traffic engineering using MikroTik router IOS. Okay, and the next I'm learn about CCNA, Cisco Certified Network Associate. This is industry recognized certification covering network fundamentals, routing and switching, network security, and IP service, and automation and troubleshooting. Demonstrate the ability to configure, manage, and secure modern enterprise network using Cisco technology. So the next is my project. I'm have experience like teaching or MikroTik trainer in SMPN 172 Jakarta. I'm teaching about MTCNA. I'm teach about network fundamental and some basic configuration to children at SMPN 172 Jakarta School on October 16 until 17 October. And the next I teach in SMK Karya Bahana Mandiri Bekasi 1. I become a CCNA trainer who taught about network fundamental and some basic configuration, MikroTik and Cisco to student at SMK Karya Bahana Mandiri Bekasi 1 school. I'm teach on July 24 until 2026 in July. So the next I'm teach in SMK Atlantis plus I'm also teach about CCNA. I'm teach about network fundamental, firewall, NAT, and dynamic routing, and also static routing. And I'm explain how to connect the device in networking. And I'm teach in SMK Atlantis plus in on September 10 until 12. So and the next project is SuperLab. This is a SuperLab routing ISVF IT project to build a lab network using MikroTik, using Cisco Packet Tracer to implement ISVF protocol with various topologies and configuration. And the next is ISVF and AGRV routing. This also SuperLab. This IT project to build a lab network using Cisco Packet Tracer also to implement ISVF, routing ISVF, and AGRV routing protocol with we configuration the dynamic routing, and also we configuration redistribute for AGRV and ISPF, because that's a different protocol. Then we must combine the routing with redistribute. So, and the next is configuration in physical device. So here this is also IoT project to build a lab network using MikroTik, iOS, and Cisco physical device to implement ISVF and AGRV protocol. But this physical configuration we do like the real configuration in real life. So the next is certification. Here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 7 certification. The first is CCNA. That is the third certification. My certification is Cisco Certified Network Associate. I'm take this certification in Depok with my trainer is Mas Sukma Wijaya, and this is my certification. This is my certificate. There is my name, and this the name of this certification, Cisco Certified Network Associate, and this there is the date certified and the valid trust, and there is Cisco ID. So and the second certification is MTCNA. My first certification here in IDN Boarding School is MikroTik Certified Network Associate. So this certificate validate skills in MikroTik router configuration, network designs, and troubleshooting in this basic certification in MikroTik. So you can see my certificate. There is my name, and there is the name of this certification, and there is when I take this certificate is in November 18 on November. So, and the next is the second certification is MTCRE or Microtik Certified Routing Engineer. This also is certificate from Microtik, and I take this certificate on 16 on in July, on July 16 on July. I take this certificate in ID networkers in Palmer in Jakarta. So, and the last certification is basic BGP in Juniper, is completed training on BGP fundamentals and configuration using Juniper device. So this is my last certification. This here there is my name, and how to get the certification. I follow I'm the participant of webinar about basic BGP in Juniper, and the CEO of, and there is the CEO of ID Networks is Dedi Gunawan MT CCIE. Okay, and last is this my contact. If you wanna, I'm always open the discussing new projects, creative idea or opportunities to be part of your vision. And here there is my email, and there is my WhatsApp number, and this my address. I'm from Majalengka, West Java, Indonesia. Maybe that's all from me. Sorry if I have a mistake when I explain my portfolio. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.